In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in Microsoft Word. If you collaborate on documents or simply want a clear record of edits, tracking changes is your best friend. It lets you see exactly what was added, what was removed, and makes it easy to approve or decline those edits later. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Once it's open, head to the ribbon at the top and select the Review tab. This is where all the editing and reviewing tools live. Look for the button labeled Track Changes. Click it to turn tracking on. When it's active, the button usually highlights, and from that point forward, Word will keep a visible log of every edit you make. Now, go ahead and make your edits in the document. As you type new content, you'll notice your inserted text appears underlined or in a different color. That visual cue is there, so you can quickly spot what's new compared to the original. If you remove something, the deleted text will typically appear with a strike-through or show up in a comment-style bubble in the margin. The exact appearance can vary depending on your display settings, but don't worry. Either way, the change is being tracked and clearly marked. If you see balloons in the margin, that's just Word showing certain changes off to the side to keep the main text easier to read. When you're ready to review the changes, stay in the Review tab. You'll use the Accept and Reject buttons to decide what stays and what goes. Clicking Accept tells Word to keep that edit and incorporate it into the document as final text. Clicking Reject discards that particular edit and restores the original content. Work through the changes at a comfortable pace, reading each one so you're confident about the decision you're making. This process helps maintain the integrity of your document and ensures every modification is intentional. A couple of quick tips as you go. If the colors or styles of the markup look different from what you expect, that's normal. Word can display tracked changes in various ways depending on your settings, but the function is the same. Also, if you're collaborating, ask everyone to keep track changes on while they edit, so nothing gets lost. That's all there is to it. Open your document, turn on track changes from the Review tab, make your edits, and then use Accept or Reject to finalize them. With this workflow, you'll always know exactly what changed and why.